Imagine a world where every student, regardless of their learning style or pace, can easily achieve their academic goals and reach their full potential. Unfortunately, the reality is that many students face various challenges, such as poor time management skills, lack of motivation, and insufficient support. As a result, they struggle to meet deadlines, complete their courses, and hence do not perform too well in their studies. But what if there was a solution that could help students overcome these obstacles and stay on track with their studies? Introducing Constantius, a personalized study companion that generates a customized study plan based on each student's unique learning style, interests, and pace of learning. With Constantius, students can receive reminders and notifications to stay on track with their studies, get motivational messages and personalized coaching to overcome obstacles and build confidence, and monitor their progress with feedback to make necessary adjustments to their study plan. They can also connect with other users to collaborate, share study resources, and provide support to one another. Constantius utilizes a robust tech stack, including MySQL for managing data and server-side programming, HTML, CSS, and React for creating the user interface and client-side functionality, and OpenAI API for integrating advanced natural language processing and question-answering capabilities. The app is hosted on AWS EC2 instances, and machine learning models and algorithms are implemented using PyTorch if needed. Join us in revolutionizing the education industry and empowering students to achieve their academic goals with Constantius. Thanks for watching.